Your iPhone might be sharing data in the background without you even realizing it. And yes, this can even affect your battery life over time. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a hidden privacy section on your iPhone that most people ignore and what you should turn off to protect your data and reduce unnecessary background activity. Let me show you step by step. Open the settings, then tap on Privacy and Security and scroll down and tap on Analytics and Improvements. This section controls whether your iPhone shares usage data and analytics with Apple and app developers. Now, just to be clear, this is not your personal messages or photos. It's mostly technical data like device usage, performance, and crash reports. However, this data is collected and sometimes sent in the background, which means it can use a bit of processing power and battery over time. Now, let's go through each setting and what you should do. First, share iPhone Analytics. This sends device usage and diagnostic data to Apple to help improve iOS. My recommendation is to keep this off. It helps Apple, but it is not necessary for you as a user, and turning it off can reduce small background activity that may slightly affect battery over time. Next, share iCloud Analytics. This shares data about how you use iCloud services. Again, I recommend turning this off. It is not needed for your daily use, and disabling it can reduce some background syncing and data usage. Next, share with app developers. This allows Apple to share analytics data with third party app developers. This one is very important. I strongly recommend turning it off. It reduces the amount of data shared outside Apple and also limits background communication with apps. Next, we have improve hand washing. This is mainly for Apple Watch users who use the hand washing feature. If you don't use it, keep it off. If you do use that feature, you can leave this on. Next, improve health and activity. This shares usage data related to your health and fitness tracking. I recommend keeping this off because health data is sensitive and turning it off does not affect your experience. Next, we have improve safety. This helps Apple improve safety related features. Again, this is optional and I recommend keeping it off for better privacy. Next, we have improve Siri and dictation. This sends voice data to Apple to improve Siri and dictation accuracy. I recommend turning this off. It can involve voice data processing, and disabling it reduces both data sharing and some background activity. Also, here we have improve assistant voice features. This is similar and helps improve voice recognition systems. You can keep this off as well. Next, we have improve wheelchair mode. This is for accessibility features. If you don't use it, keep it off. Only turn it on if you actually need that feature. And finally, improve AR location accuracy. This uses location data to improve augmented reality features. I recommend turning this off unless you actively use AR apps because it can use location services and background processing. So overall, for maximum privacy and slightly better efficiency, you can safely turn almost all of these settings off. Your iPhone will still work perfectly fine. To be fair, turning these on does help Apple improve iOS and apps over time. But if your priority is privacy and reducing unnecessary background activity, keeping them off is the better choice. So go ahead and check these settings right now. It takes less than a minute and it can make your iPhone more private and a bit more efficient. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.